Hello guys, good morning. All set. Taken bath, didn't have breakfast. Bored of the same breakfast. So plan to go down to that Anna Pure Bhavan yesterday at Ramno. I'm sure you guys must have seen. So very nice, yummy food. So today's Saturday. Hopefully there won't be much crowd. So yeah, plan to check out in another time is 10:30. So around another 15 minutes we should be out of the room, and then by around 11 I should be out of here. So yeah, plan is to go have breakfast, probably have coffee, and head back in the uh, same route back to Bengaluru. That's the plan. I had to fuel up, I guess. I think I'll fuel up in Karnataka. So anyways, nevertheless, weather is beautifully pleasant today. There's no mist, there's no rain, so but it's overcast. So yeah, wish of luck. Hope I reach home safe, guys. Take care. I'll show you all the way route. So guys, finally leaving the property. So again back to the beauty of this road for one last and final time. All right. Thank you for property for being good. Thank you Wayanad for being good. Love you. I was just cursing the road, nothing else. Hello guys. Sorry, 1 second blind spot. What I was trying to say is, got some nice insights about the property where we were staying. But I mean, like I said, there is a stream that is, adjacent to the property. I thought beyond that there is some fencing, but apparently there is no fencing at all. Apparently there are two times or three times tigers have come in the property and happily roaming around. Same with regards to elephants, bisons. I was like, wow. I never expected tigers there. So, entering the property. So, lap of nature is good. So, beautiful location again, but approach is bad. So, yeah, that's what I found out about the property. So, thought I'll update you guys, That's about it. Back to this place. Heading out today. So, just thought have this coffee and go. The weather is amazing. The weather is awesome. Raining. Just crossed Kalpeta. So next is the Muthanga forest. Post that our own Karnataka will begin, and then I think zoom we'll be home. The weather is amazing. I hope it's the same. It's too awesome to drive in this. Okay, what are you guys up to? Good morning, guys. New vlog is out finally because I was on the road, so it could be uploaded easily. Please go and watch. We're almost in Muthanga, and these are the farmlands here. So green everywhere. Look at the roads also, so nice. Perfect weather, Wow, I think the forest is about to begin. Look at these cyclists. Wow, man, amazing. Superb. Keep it going, boys and girls. This is Muthanga forest. There's no any board or arch or something. They should put it up, right? Just green, man. It's like, oof, amazing. Back to Namma Karnataka. Just entered Karnataka. So yeah, so fast we exited. While going, it felt like ages. We were already in this thing. I think we'll reach Gundlupeta in no time. So yeah, decent. Only one flock of deer we could see. That's it. Nothing else as of now. Up until now. Oh, that was the elephant area when we had shit. Wow. Elephant! Elephant! So cute, guys. Once again, too many trees in between. Yeah, this seems perfect. They're belting us, so we'll go. Who I got to see. There are two elephants. Awesome. I think the forest is friendly. Hello guys, reached the coffee day in Bandipur. Have a little bit of coffee or eat something because after that you get the expressway, no place to stop. So eat one shot and then probably reach Bengaluru. So again, this is the coffee day. My beautiful car is here, sweetheart. And they're just waiting. I'll show you behind. I showed you during going to Ooty. This coconut plantation is amazing here. It looks damn nice. Weather is super pleasant. This is smoked chicken sandwich and cafe coffee day. I ordered for cold coffee as well. One straight road, and as soon as you come on this road, there will be no rains. Looks like it's gonna pound, but not yet. I think it will take us another 40 minutes to reach Mysore, or earlier, never know. Decent traffic, or oncoming traffic is a little too much in considering it's a Saturday, but otherwise peaceful here. Hope you guys had your lunch. I had my pre-lunch because lunch I don't think stop anywhere because I just had a little bit of sandwich and all that. So I'm pretty much sorted till Bengaluru. Only irritating thing is Mysore road speed cams, man, pain. And as far as the traffic is moving, nothing like it. I know, Saturday for sure I'm going to get traffic in the city, but that's just a matter of 3 or 4 kilometers, so that should be fine. Yeah, I saw that fellow coming, stupid bus. They think, they own the roads. This is KSRTC or other buses, no. I think they own the roads. Can't mess with them also. I tried once and that guy almost ran me off the road. So yeah, be safe. That's what I want to say. Enjoy! As soon as this hill comes, we have reached Mysore. That is, I think, Chamundi Hills only. So we're going to take a right onto the ring road and then head to Bengaluru. About to rain, and by the time we cross this, it'll rain here and we'll not get rain ahead. So yeah, that's the magic. As of now, not much traffic, thankfully, thank God. So finally, Mysore-Bangalore expressway. Got hardly any jam, thankfully, thanks to it being a Saturday. So yeah, not yet reached the toll entrance. Till then you can, hammer it. So yeah. Looks like already it's 6 o'clock, but no, it's just because of the, overcast. It's gonna rain. Right, enjoy morning. Wow, this looks so good. Woohoo! Nice rains also started. Wow. Beauty. Guys, what's up? Did you guys have your coffee, tea in the evening? Not yet. Its time is almost 5. We are reaching, I think we crossed Mandur and all that. We should reach the nice road probably another 20-30 minutes. And another 45 minutes I should reach home. Considering it's a Saturday, I think an hour or more. But let's see how it goes. Anyways, this is the beautiful stretch. As always, nice and amazing apart from the speed. Maintaining a speed of 100 to 95 to 100. I don't know why others are just pasting away to glory. They're all more than 100. Am I the only one following rules? It's better to always be safe than sorry. Follow the rules, guys. Don't, break them. Follow it. Perks of riding it on a road like this. Using left leg as well. Don't try this at home. Wow, this looks like, so amazing. This is where Gabbar Singh jumped from one hill to this hill, where he was shot dead by a handless Thakur. And then all this was viewed by stupid people from that hill. So that's how it's connected. And then one more hill comes up from behind, where you can see Amitabh and Dharmendra. I would have said something, but I'm being very nice, very decent. This is the time pass that I'm doing now. My friends will know what I'm thinking. Anyways, good and bright and sunny now. Should reach probably in another hour, 6:30. I should be home. I think it'll be 7. Let's see. Let us see. Namma Bengaluru. This is Nice Road Junction. Taking a left to Nice Road from Mysore Road. Oh, look at this guy without helmet. Finally, destination almost reached. If you touch Nice Road. Peaceful. Reached by 6 and yeah, welcome by this stupid traffic. Anyways, what is Bangalore without traffic? Hello guys, reached home, going to eat some snacks. Back on my bullet. Hello guys, again back to Namma Bengaluru. We reached by around 6:30. Almost 7. Now planning to go eat some pav bhaji and 99 variety dosa. It's near my house only. It's near this Sai Mandir near Olimau. So yeah, going to eat there, get back and then chill Modi. Traffic was pretty less, man. Only Banarghata road very little, but moving traffic. Reached on time. Really, I got lucky on a Saturday. Whew. Reached in daylight. Came here. Dosa place there, samosa, and this is pav bhaji, vada pav. Came here for this thing, sweet corn cheese masala dosa. This is where is the Sai Mandir? Oh, that's it. It says Sai Mandir. Just came back and loved this guy. After that he just wanted to play, so was just making him play. I wanted to see his reaction, what he's gonna do. And look at him, I was just showing it one side to for him to attack. And smart fellow, very smart, just runs off and comes from behind. Cutie. Look at him, full love on his most favorite place. How often does he do that? Every time, ne? Look at it. Oi.
Then you go to mega audition.
See where he's sitting.
Chauka if you take, then you have to.
कहाँ बैठता है तू? What a place you have chosen to sit. Hello guys, I know you can't see me. Anyways, crashing for the night. Not that tired, but feels good to be back home. Lying down, I don't know why the flash of this is not working of the phone. Anyways, thanks for all the support. Please keep watching all the vlogs. It's coming amazing. And if you guys have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, and watch Mari. Alright, take care, guys. And you can see my watch and heart rate. Take care, guys. Good night. See ya.